In this video, I am going to discuss about few topics in JavaScript. They are variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. So firstly, variables. So variables are containers for storing data. In JavaScript, variables can be declared in four ways: automatically, using var keyword, using let keyword, or using const keyword. Until 2015, var keyword is used in all JavaScript code. Then let and const keywords were added to JavaScript in 2015. The main key points to remember are: always use const keyword if the value and type should not be changed, like in arrays and objects. Otherwise, use let keyword. As you can see on the screen, on the second line, I assigned a value without using any keyword. On the third line, I assign the value using var keyword. On the fourth line, I use let keyword. On fifth, I use const keyword. You can also see the values in the output. So the next topic is arrays. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. It holds many values under a single name, and we can access the values by referring to an index number. It is commonly used const keyword to declare arrays. As you can see on the screen, there is an array named fruits, and there are three elements in the array: banana, apple, and mango. You can also see the array in the output. We can also add new elements to the existing array. As you can see, I added cherry to the fruits array. You can also check on the output. Cherry is added to the existing array. We can also change the values of the array. Here I changed banana to melon using index number. You can also check in the output, banana is changed to melon. So this is for arrays. So the next topic is functions. Function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. It is executed when something calls it. As you can see on the screen, there is small example on addition of two numbers. The syntax for function is: it is defined as the function keyword followed by a name and followed by parentheses. So we are given two numbers 7 and 3. We can see the output, we got 10. So this is for functions. The next topic is objects. In real life, objects are things like houses, cars, peoples, or any other. In JavaScript, objects are variables, but objects can contain many values. As you can see on the screen, there is an object named details. There are four properties in this object. They are first name, last name, ID, and full name. As you can see, the property full name has it is the combination of both the first and second properties. You can also see the output here. The next topic is loops. Loops can execute a block of code a number of times. If you want to run the same code over and over again, each time with a different value, we use loops. In JavaScript, there are different kinds of loops. There are for loop, for in loop, and for off loop. For loop is a simple loop. It loops through a block of code a number of times. Next is for in loop. This loop is used to iterate over the properties of an object. Here we created an object called person. There are two properties in this object. Then we use for in loop to iterate the properties of this object. Next is for off loop. This is used to iterate over iterable objects like arrays or strings. Here we created an array called colors. It has three elements. Then we used for off loop to iterate the objects. So that's it for today's video. These are the basic concepts of JavaScript. Thank you for watching.